Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at how to add products on Shopify. So of course adding products is an essential step into setting up an online store. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So first of all, of course, you want to make your way to the Shopify website itself. Now if you don't already have a website, it's easy enough to do so. Make sure you follow some of our previous tutorials on how to get set up. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log into your account. Now make sure you select your account there. So we'll do this. So of course here are our two active websites. Now you'll see straight away which are inactive and active. So just go into your website. Just takes a little minute for it to load up. So now that you're loaded into your website, all you would need to do now is on your left side you'll see products. So just towards this area here you'll see products. Now all you want to do there is select products. Now we do already have an item in there, but I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and add another product in. So within the top right, just under your login area, you'll see add product. So just on the top right there, you want to go ahead and select add product. Now you'll be given another screen here. So this is currently an unsaved product, as you guys can see. So first of all, the steps we want to take is to actually give it a title. So that's the name of your specific item, of course. So say you are selling t-shirts, then you would want to write down, we'll do a given brand, let's just say Nike t-shirt. So there's a Nike t-shirt. We can specify the fact that that one is colored black. Now you would want to give it a description. So this t-shirt is 100% cotton, etc. Of course, that's where you would want to place your description. Now you can have it formatted as paragraph. You can of course have it as any of the headings there or a block quote. So we'll just keep it as a paragraph. Now you'll have another section there called media. Within media you would place your images, videos, or 3D models. So of course I'm going to go ahead and add a file in. So you can't see this now, but this is I've got my Explorer up, and I will just add in our ProfileTree logo. So we'll just do that as an example for the meantime. Of course you would want to actually add your product image in, whether it be an image of course or a video of an individual showcasing it, or like a 360 turn on it. You can also add it from a URL, or of course just add it from image. Now next of course is your pricing. Now that is the most important part. So just say I want to sell this item for $49.99, and I'm not going to charge tax on this product. Now the cost per item, just say it took us with materials, landed us about £15. So that's £34.99 profit, and it gives us a margin of 70%. So that's actually just an insight of what it shows you. So you want to see whether that product will be profitable or not. Now you can track the quantity if you would like, or you don't need to as well. Now if you do track the quantity, of course you have the option of continuing to sell when out of stock, or when you're out of stock completely, then you would stop selling. So we'll just leave that off, because of course if we do sell items we want to make sure it goes out of stock completely. Then of course, since it is a physical product, just say depending on how heavy that is, so enough with that. Okay, and then you also have the option as well to have it as a digital product if you want, so that completely blocks off that. Now, this is what the SEO will look like. So this is an area where you can change it. So this is your meta description. This is going to be seen on the actual search engine, so you want to make sure that you actually change this about. And then, of course, going up to the top, you can have it as active or have this as a draft. So say you are wanting to add more things later on in the day, then you can have it selected as a draft, or you can have it set as active. And of course, you can add your product or organization there. So let's just say clothing. Should have the one there. There you go, clothing. Product type is a t-shirt, and the vendor is the name us, which is dropship. Got collections there, got find or create tags, and of course you've got the theme template. So once you're happy enough with everything, all you would need to do now is select save, and congratulations, you now have your very first product. Of course, at the minute we currently have 0 for the inventory. Now, this is where you would adjust it. Of course, you can continue without selling. Okay, so we'll just go back. Okay. So of course, once you're happy enough with that, that will now be an active listing. Now, of course, you may be wondering, it says inventory is 0 in stock, 0 in stock. How would I go about changing that? Well, it's simple enough. All you would need to do is go to your left side there where it says inventory. It's highlighted there. Go ahead and select that. Now it'll show you the amount of the products you have. So the one that we worked on was the Nike t-shirt black, or Nike t-shirt, and I want to say that the available is, say we have 300 of those on hand, and then just say we have 300 on hand, and then of course you can filter that out as well. So this one, let's just say received. Of course you can have this one as correction. So that's easy enough to adjust. Of course, as well as that, you can edit the variants or update quantities all at once. So just say if I wanted to update the quantities here, have this as 800, so that'll change it for both of these. They'll automatically change to 800 each. Now, as well as that, if we do go back to the products, of course, you can change these about. So if we go to our home, go to customize your online store, and select customize. As you can see with the products, if I select on the t-shirt one, I can go ahead and change the title. I can drag things about as well. So I can have this there, or I can have my title all the way down here, or have my title up there. You can add more blocks as well. And of course, I can change the theme settings with the colors. So there's quite a lot to change and modify. And as well as this, so I can have the media fill or fit or original, and I can have the desktop layout, stack, 2 columns, thumbnails, or thumbnail carousel. And with the image zoom, that just means that I'm able to click on the image and it'll zoom in and open a light box. I can have the option to just click and hover, so just a close-up of what it'll look like, or I could just have it do absolutely nothing. So we'll just have it as open lightbox. And if you do have a video, you can enable looping as well. And of course there's some theme settings there. You can have the page width pretty high. You can add your backgrounds, of course. You can show it so it's inverse. So quite a lot of different options in terms of customizing and modifying. So now, once you are happy enough with the customization, the layout and everything, just make sure that you review your product listing and make sure you check and make those necessary edits. Once you are happy with everything, select the publish button to make your product go live on the store, and that's pretty much as easy as that. So there you go, you've successfully added your first product or a product on Shopify, but make sure that you keep a track of them and make sure you always update your product listings, optimize them as well to increase your sales. There's quite a lot of things to take in place and to order in order when selling items on Shopify. Anyways, hopefully that covers everything for the video. If you guys have any questions at all, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.